Okay everyone, now I'm going to explain about my presentation with the title is Impact of the COVID-19 Pandemic on Online Home Learning, an explorative study in primary school in Indonesia. But for it, I want to introduce myself. My name is Siska Monika Siahaan. Okay, let's restart. The pandemic COVID-19 is the first and foremost health crisis in the world. Many countries have decided to close schools, colleges, universities as a precaution measure to its spread. The UNESCO states that this corona pandemic threatens 577 million students in the world. The Indonesian government released the policy, the learning from home for school and for higher education. The purpose of the study was to obtain information on the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on learning and teaching in primary schools in Tangerang. The study used a qualitative exploration method for school and for higher education. In this research, there are population and sample. Population from 15 teachers and parents of 2 primary schools in Tangerang, Indonesia, national school and international school, and the sample from all population, namely 15 teachers and parents of 2 primary schools located in Tangerang, Indonesia, national schools and international schools. In this research, there are research methods such as technique of collecting data and technique of analysis data. In technique of collecting data, in this case, the respondents are interviewed until data saturation was reached. And after that, the interviews were recorded, then verbally transcribed, and primary data was collected through semi-structured interviews with teachers and parents. And the next, secondary data was from published articles, journals, and books. Technique of analysis data. For the analysis and interpretation of data, thematic data analysis guidelines. The reason for choosing thematic analysis is that a rigorous thematic approach can produce in-depth analysis that answers certain research questions. From this research, we found the results, such as some respondents expressed their concerns, namely extra expense for buying internet quota, teachers need to buy more internet quota, and teachers feel tired of staying at home. And some respondents pointed problems faced by parents, such as spend more extra time with their children and helping their children with their home learning. The last is parents become teachers for their children. The discussion of the research is the respondent statements were analyzed under students, teachers, parents for ease of reference. And there are impact of students. Students feel they were forced to teach the home learning without adequate facilities and infrastructure at home like laptop, computers, mobile phones, and internet access. And the impacts on students were said as follows. The first is, schools have been closed for such a long time, making children bored. And then, children lost their social life. And the impact of parents, such as parents extra expense for buying internet quota to their children. And parents much more extra time with their children and helping them with their home learning. And the impact of teachers is need more time for teachers to adapt to the new mode of learning and teaching, resulting in the possibility for an adverse impact on the quality of learning and teaching. And the conclusion of the research is COVID-19 pandemic has brought a drastic change in the how learning and teaching are conducted in the world of education, including in Indonesia. And the problem is that distance learning has not been part of most educational institutions in Indonesia. Students, parents, and teachers face many challenges from the sudden shift face-to-face class to online home learning. Support from school, related institution, and home can relieve some of the burdens and ensure the sustainability of home learning. It is time to back to regular schooling again. Okay, about your attention, I say thank you.